So we're going to make a nice two-tone five-sided star or pentagram, and we're going to start with a circle as we always do. And normally I would use pencil. I just want you to be able to see a little bit more clearly on this video, because we're going to erase some stuff, and normally you're going to erase the circle. So I like to put my pencil in the center first, then line up my ruler. It makes it more accurate. And so what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to draw a diameter from one side to the other. Now we want to find the spot directly above it. We would call that a perpendicular bisector. So I'm going to put the point on one side, go past the middle, and we're going to make a mark top and on the bottom. And when we go to the other side, we repeat that and we'll find where the two meet. Now if they don't meet, like here, we go back and extend it a little bit. So we don't need to connect this whole line. I just really want the spot right on top. So I'm going to line up the two here and the two down there with my ruler. And if I drew a line, it would cut this in half, and we would have 4 equal lines. But I just want this marking on top. So now I'm going to cut this line in half. And so I'm going to use my compass. I think I will use a pencil in this one. And I'm going to go a little bit past what looks like the middle. Make my mark, go to the other side, and repeat. And now what we're going to be able to do is line up our ruler here and here and find the center. So we have this line, that's the center, and then this line, we found the center of it. So the last step is we're going to connect this spot to this spot with our compass, and we're going to use that to finish. So I'm going to connect from here and very carefully adjust my compass so it touches the very top. And I'm going to swing the compass down and mark right here. So if I want to make my five-sided pentagon or pentagram, I'm going to use from here to here. I'm going to use a measurement from A to B with my compass. And so you'll notice what we just finished drawing from here to here, you're only going to have to open your compass a tiny bit more. And that's the amount. So we're ready to make our pentagram. From here on top, we're going to make our first mark, put our compass there, make our second mark, make the third one, and the fourth one. And you know, the more careful you are, the more exact it's going to be. Mine's a teeny bit off, but that's the fifth one. So normally when we're making videos, we're going for speed, when really construction making is about doing it slowly, carefully, just like doing math. You do it carefully and you do it right. You don't do it quickly. So now I'm going to connect from here, skip one, and connect it to here to begin to make the pentagram shape. If we wanted to make a pentagon, we can connect these 5. And I'm going to now connect from here to here. So I'll skip this one and connect here. Now I'll go from here to here. And from here to here. And we're almost done making the pentagram. So to finish this up, we're going to connect from here to here and make something like a kite shape. And then we're going to connect from here to here. And we're going to do that for all 5 of them. So this one's already done. Now we need to connect from here to here. here. And now from here to here. And if we erase what's in between it, normally if we're going to color it, we'll color over it. But we have one last step, and the step will be to cut the kite in half so we can have the two tones. So really, if we wanted to save one step, instead of drawing the smaller part and then drawing the bisector or the line cutting the kite in half, we actually could do that all at once, I'm realizing now. So right, we could have gone from here all the way straight down. And then we'll rotate it, go from here straight down. Got one. And then for me, the most difficult part is coloring. Now, if you like, you can darken in the circle, or if you prefer, you can erase it, and you can erase the other markings. So that's our neat design. Of course, again, we want to be a little bit more slow and careful, like this line here I could see missed the center just a little bit. Next time I'll be more careful. But like I said, we're going for speed in a video. When I'm really making these, I want to go slowly and carefully and even double check before I use pen and finish it up. So hopefully you enjoy drawing your 5-sided star. I've seen, I think like army stars are usually this shape. So it's kind of a simple, fun project.